and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Stephanie here and I am back with another banger you guys already know. So today I will be reviewing a palette for you guys today. It's this bad boy right here. So this is the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. So this just recently came out, I want to say like last month? Yeah. So I, of course, had to pick it up and let you guys know if it's worth it, what's good, how it performs, how it blends out, and the paper just flew out. So this is how she looks like, guys. She is thriving. She's looking beautiful, very vibrant. You know, we got a lot of pinks and purples, a lot of like brown, orangey shades, which I love. The summer is coming up, so I love to play with this like section right here. So yes, let's go ahead and dip into her today. And I also went ahead and picked up the Jaclyn Hill Luminous Powder in Dewy Me, or Do Me. Yep, so I actually was so excited when she came out with this. Right off the bat, I knew that this is what I wanted to get from that collection. I knew that the other highlighters were super beaming and a lot of people were going off on the highlighters and all this stuff, but I was so excited for this, guys. So Jaclyn said that this is literally like a setting powder. You can set your whole face with it, but it does give you a shine. So it gives you kind of like a glow within, which I love that. So it's not like a highlighter that's gonna be beaming and it's gonna be all up in your face and you're gonna see it from space. It's not like that at all. It's more kind of like just a glow within, a little bit of shine, you know, just nothing too crazy. So I'm really excited to try this out, guys. I already went ahead and did my face. I did my brows and mostly everything. So I'm gonna come along and just do my eyes, and I also am gonna put a little bit of this on top of my foundation and see how it performs. So let's go ahead and stop rambling and let's get into this, guys. So let's go ahead and get started into the palette. So this is her, and if you guys know, she has a volume 1 palette, which I actually will show you. Mine is a little torn up, so don't mind that. Mine was actually one of the first editions when she came out, and she came out with a matte cover at first. So that's why it's really torn up. Like, it's really dirty and just inside just is a wreck. Look at this. Oh my God. This is the volume 1 palette, literally. And I used and abused this, guys. Everybody went crazy for this palette. It was really good. I really enjoyed it and I still do. I still dip into this. So, you know, I'm really excited to go into this one. I'm glad that she did just right off the bat a glossy finish, just because I know like later on when she came out with this one, she came out with this matte cover, but then later on she improved it and actually did it glossy. So I was one of the first ones. As soon as it came out, I bought it and I loved it ever since. So this time I'm glad she went with the glossy straight off the bat. So it looks like this. And so she did put a letter on the back of the box, guys. So let me go ahead and read it to you. The past few years have been absolutely insane. So many highs and so many lows. Amazing memories and tons of drama. Through all of it, my subscribers have always had my back. Thank you for the loving and supporting me no matter what. This palette is to embrace the past, owning the present, and dominating the future together. I hope these shades make you feel strong, powerful, and loved the way you make me feel every day. XO Jaclyn Hill. Which, I mean, I've always been a true subscriber to Jaclyn Hill. I love her. I don't believe in all the things about how she only loves money and stuff. Like, of course, we all love money, and of course, like, there's been a lot of drama about her products, but I honestly genuinely think that she just has fucked up, you know, and honestly, it happens to all of us, and I still support her. So, you know, shout out to Jaclyn Hill or whatever. But let's go ahead and get into this palette. I don't know. Ooh, no, of course, I already went ahead and ruined one of the shades. I digged my nail into it. Fuck, man, I'm pissed. I hate when that happens because like it's new and now it's all messed up because I just decided to dig my freaking nail into it. We love that. We love that. Alrighty, guys. So let me go ahead and just swatch some of the shades on my finger and see what's good. So I'm gonna go in with No Joke on my finger, really see the pigment. And guys, she's there. She is vibrant and she is living. Okay, so let's go into red. Reds are kind of hard to perfect. Oh my god, look at that pigment. Let's go into purples because purples are kind of hard to perfect as well. Yes. Okay, now let's go into a shimmer because, oops, let's go into a shimmer so I can see. Go into this one right here. Damn, guys, the pigment is definitely there. It is vibrant, it is in your face, and that's what we wanted, right? That's what we asked for. We love that. Wow. Okay. That wasn't even a lot like a swipe. That was just like, you know, just right, guys. So let's go ahead and get into this palette. So first things first, I'm going to take the shade Perfectionist. Oh no, just kidding. Love Handles. So this one right here, I'm gonna take this shade first. I still don't like the fact that it doesn't have a mirror, but I mean, it's fine. It's fine. There's a bit of fallout, but it's fine as well. Alrighty, guys. All right, I'm gonna be going in with the shade Positive. This shade right here. And I'm gonna be putting that in the same place that I put the last one. These shades have tons of pigment, guys. Connecting it all the way to the other outer corner, guys. So I'm kind of making like a circle shape on my eye. That makes sense. Continuing on, I'm gonna actually take Feeling Myself, which is this very orangey, true orange kind of color. And I'm going to be taking in the same place, just a bit lower. More of a precise brush, and I'm gonna take Certified, which is the white in the palette, which is this shade right here. You guys can see that. Which I'm glad she added a white into her palette this time, because you always need a white in a palette, in my opinion. Like, I love whites in the palette, just because it always helps you kind of clean up those edges on top and just make everything look a little bit more clean, in my opinion, obviously. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in and cut this crease. So we're gonna go ahead and take a little bit of Shape Tape. Y'all know the drill. Alright guys, so that is what I have so far. So I'm gonna be going into this shade right here. And I'm gonna be adding that on to the middle of my eye. Now that we have it, I kind of just put it in the middle of my lid, so I'm also going to be going in with some color on the sides. I kind of want to dip into some purples because we dipped in a little bit on the reds, so I kind of want to dip into this color right here, which is Lolly Mama, this one right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and take that, and I'm gonna start blending that into the outers. So right here, kind of blending it into the crease. Right here, boom, boom, boom. Love that. And I'm gonna take the same shade and kind of put it in the beginning. And we're gonna blend that in. Ooh, yes, love that. We love that. Fuck yeah, guys. Fuck yeah. Beautiful. These colors, I am not lying to you guys. They are no joke. The pigment is completely there and it is thriving. Moving right along, I'm going to be taking a little bit of Therapy Sesh, which is this one right here. makeup is a therapy sesh by itself, y'all already know. I'm just gonna take that in the outer corners, right there, and then very on the inner corner as well. I'm gonna make everything very unison. And I'm going back at Ollie Mama because I don't want to lose that color right there. I'm kind of add it right into there. And that is what the eye is looking like, guys. I do feel like the lid needs a little more oomph, so I am gonna go into Talina. I don't know, but this shade right here, this is the only, I think, intense shimmer. This one and then this one, I think, are the only two. So I'm just gonna take this with my finger and I'm just gonna hit that right on top of my lid where I put Flawed and Odd. So I'm just gonna literally hit that. Ooh, she is there. Oh wow, I really like that shade. Wow, it's beaming through like no other. So I'm just hitting that right on there. Right on there. Ooh, that really gave it to it. Alright, now we're gonna do the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with mostly just purples in the lower lash line, just because that's what I feel like it. So I'm gonna go in with the Therapy Sesh, which is that purpley color we put in the inner corners. And I'm gonna start dragging that down here. Next, I'm gonna go in with Lolly Mama and Tipsy Girl and just take that down as well. And I'm gonna smoke this out like quite a bit, low key, just because I feel like it. I'm gonna just start smoking it out. Alright, so this is what I have going for me right now, guys. I kind of want to add jewels because this is kind of like an out there kind of look, and I'm kind of excited about it because I love their out there like kind of looks. So let me go ahead and do the other eye, and then we're gonna go ahead and try out this setting powder. So let me be right back. Alrighty guys, so I actually wanted to come back and tell you guys what I did. So I ended up putting 3 little gems and adding an inner corner highlight. So for the inner corner highlight, I actually went in to this shade right here, which is I'm in it, this one right here, and it has a really pretty reflection to pink, which just went beautifully with this look. So I just kind of wanted to update you guys what I did, and I'm also going to be hitting the brow bone with that same color. So let me go ahead, finish up the other eye, put on a lash, and then we'll come back and finish. Alrighty guys, so I am back. I went ahead and threw on some lashes, finished up the eye, and I did tell you guys I added a little inner corner highlight and then also some gems on the end of the eye. Now let's go ahead and jump into this bad boy right here. I've been so excited to try this guy out, guys. So what it technically does, it literally is supposed to highlight your face, but as an inner highlight, if that makes sense, kind of like a glow within. It's not supposed to be like a highlight at all. It's supposed to technically just be like a face highlight to just kind of give you a natural glow. That's what Jaclyn says. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take a little bit on my brush, and I'm just gonna kind of put some right here, put some right up here. Need some on my cheeks, just all over my cheeks actually. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it, oh, that was a little too much. I'm gonna put it right where I would put my highlight. So just like right there. And I can see it giving a little bit of shine for sure. And I can definitely know. It does give me a little bit more of a shine. Can you guys see it? I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it just gives you the slightest bit of shine that kind of like just brings you back to life, I feel like. Because, you know, we all use a bunch of powders on our face. I love it. Wow. I feel like it's just adding that little extra glow, which I love a little extra glow. So this, you guys just witnessed that. We love that. We love that a lot. Well, this is a yes for me. Guys, great, 10 out of 10, recommend. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of highlight on the face. So I'm gonna go into I'm In It, which is this color right here. And I'm going to highlight my cheeks with that. Just to like really make everything go really together. I'm just gonna use that to highlight the cheeks. To bring this look into one. And the nose. All right, guys, I'm just gonna add a lip and then I'm gonna come back and tell you what I think about these products. Guys, so this is the completed look. I know it literally looks like a parrot just threw up all over my face, but in the best fucking way. I love it. I honestly fell in love with this palette so much. It's such a great palette, guys. The pigment is just unreal. Literally everything about this palette is bomb, and I can definitely and for sure be using this again. I'm going to be dipping in these colors for sure for summer. I really like to play with more of a natural eye, also more of a, you know, purpley pink eye. We have a little bit of darks over here. It's just awesome, and I actually really enjoy this. I love Jaclyn, and I love her palettes with Morphe. They just kill it each time. So I'm really excited about using this in the future. So this is a definite yes for me. It was such a good palette. As you can see, the pigment, the blending, everything looks good. So yes, now let's talk about the Do Me. So I really like this as well. I want to use it again with just this as my setting powder, or maybe mixing it in with my setting powder just to see what the effects will be. So I'm definitely going to be trying this out more, but so far so good. I love that it gives you a little extra glow, and it's more like a setting powder glow, not as a like beaming light, like you're gonna be seeing me in space kind of a glow. So definitely love that. Today was a successful day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys go ahead and pick up this palette so you guys can try it out yourselves, because 10 out of 10, guys, recommend. You guys already know. Alrighty, guys, so thank you so much for watching and joining me on another video. Definitely go hit that subscribe button, definitely hit that like button, hit that little notification bell so you can get notified every time I post. Thank you so much for watching today, guys, and I hope I see you on my next one. Bye, guys.